Welcome to this tutorial on Robinhood versus Crypto.com, where we will compare two popular platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we will break down the key differences between these two platforms to help you decide which one is best for your needs. First, let's start with Robinhood. Robinhood is a well-established trading platform that has been around since 2013. It is known for its commission-free trading and user-friendly interface. Robinhood offers a limited selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The platform is designed for beginners and experienced traders alike, with a simple and intuitive interface. On the other hand, Crypto.com is a dedicated cryptocurrency platform that offers a wide range of digital assets. With over 250 cryptocurrencies available, Crypto.com provides more options for traders who want to diversify their portfolios. Crypto.com also offers a non-custodial wallet, which allows users to store their cryptocurrencies securely. When it comes to fees, Robinhood is generally the more affordable option. The platform does not charge commission fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and there are no monthly maintenance fees. Crypto.com, on the other hand, charges a small fee for transactions, which varies depending on the type of cryptocurrency being traded. In terms of security, both platforms have robust security measures in place. Robinhood is a registered brokerage firm with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and it is also a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Crypto.com is also a secure platform, with two-factor authentication and a non-custodial wallet that allows users to store their cryptocurrencies securely. Ultimately, the choice between Robinhood and Crypto.com depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you are a beginner looking for a simple and affordable way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, Robinhood may be the better option. However, if you are an experienced trader looking for a wider range of digital assets and more advanced features, Crypto.com may be the better choice. In conclusion, both Robinhood and Crypto.com are reputable platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. By considering the key differences between these two platforms, you can make an informed decision about which one is best for your needs. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before investing in cryptocurrencies.